I'll do it again. Now for the fun stuff. So we got the chassis done, and the last one, like, complete with the gearbox, all the running gear. So now it's just a case of putting all the body parts together and turning it into a working, functioning truck. So that I'll have to fit the arches. The only reason is, once you have the wheel on, you can't get the nuts which screw the arches on, so you're going to have to take the wheels off again. So get the arches on first and then put the wheels together and get the wheels on. So I hope you're enjoying the build so far. Please do hit that subscribe button if you're new to the channel, and for the rest of you guys, enjoy. Now you want 4 15mm screws, 4 of them. Now there's not a left or right to these, doesn't matter which way around they go. But as you can see on the inside of the arch, there's 2 little holes there, and that's where we're going to connect it to the chassis, into these 2 threaded holes at either side here. Same for the other side. Now it's starting to look like it's taking shape. I have managed to get hold of a brand new set of alloy wheels to replace the standard plastic ones. Now these look much better. Plenty of screws. There's going to be lots of nuts and bolts. Alright, so these have been part constructed. A couple just held in there to hold them all together, which is nice. Very shiny. Very, very shiny. Look much better now they're out the packet. So here's one of the rear dual wheels. And one at the front. They got the same pattern. One's inverted and one's like outy, if you will, innie and outy. So basically they've come with all these little packets, tiny Allen bolts, and the job now is to go around them all one by one and pop the screws in there, and then we'll come back and get the tyres fitted, and then we'll get them fit to the chassis. So again, I'll be back in a mo. Now I will end up replacing these tyres, probably for some rugged, grippy, light, heavy duty tyres, but the stock Tamiya ones for now will be just fine. As that's all the wheels screwed up now. I did come across a little something with these. I've noticed where you like screw them onto your rear wheels, there's a cap, and this cap has its own pattern. Now I've got them off, it's not a problem, they've come off alright. So there may be a special key on the market somewhere that you can get for them, but not to worry. All I've done is very carefully just grip the end of the needle just to loosen them, and then they screw off. So I will have to have a search about and see if there ain't, like, you know, some form of one of these with that pattern maybe. Let's finish getting all these tyres on the wheels. Now the wheels are finished. Let's fit them to the grand hauler, because I've had these wheels in the box for a while. I've actually been dying to do this. It's new parts, innit? You can get all excited and upgrades. That's the fun part of it. It's most definitely the fun bit. Now if you're using the standard wheels from within the kit, you may come across that it asks you to glue your tyres to the rims. You don't necessarily need to glue these to the rims. They're not going nowhere. You can go ahead and glue them if you want. I'm not saying don't not glue them. It's just not a major issue. Hey, so there we have complete set of alloys. Just gently remove the centre cap off the front wheels. Now on your normal Tamiya wheels, they do require bearings in the front and backs of the front wheels. And looking at these alloys, I do think these are the Tamiya alloys, and these also require the bearings in the front and back. Yep. So I'll just fit the bearings in those. Yeah. I must say they do look pretty. Now the rear one's slightly different, not much. Now with the rears, all we're going to be doing is fitting these instead. And they're like a little 12mm type hex fitting, but rather than like on most RCs, they'll sit over a pin and they'll have a groove cut out where they sit on the pin. With the Tamiya trucks, they have teeth inside, and at the end of the thread on your axle shaft in there is a little threaded point. So all we're doing is just slotting them on to the thread. And then on the inside of your wheels you have your hex, which then just sits onto there. So these are the same as your plastic Tamiya wheels, they're just aluminium and there's just more screws to put them together. So rear wheel, the hex on there, and again with the flange nuts, same as the front. I hope you've enjoyed watching the build so far, and I hope you're all finding it of use. I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for you, because I know a lot of you are experienced and some of you are just not got a clue, totally new. So again, thanks for watching, thanks for your support. Please do subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give me a like, and feel free to drop me a comment down below. And I shall catch you guys in the next video, whether I'm out on the trails or doing some more grand hauler or filming a meet. I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks again guys.